Lexi, British Orchard Nursery today, and we're bringing to you an activity that's all about mark making. So first of all, let me show you the resources that we have. I always like to have a selection of different kinds of paper for my little ones. So I'll have coloured paper, I'll have white paper, I'll have small paper, bigger paper, and if you're really brave or you've got really little ones, even bigger paper, perfect for our toddlers who are just learning how to mark make. Then I like to have a selection of mark making tools where you can see that we always organise our tools by colour. This really helps us when we're sorting. So I've got red, yellow, blue, pink, green, purple tools, I've got writing pencils, and I have a variety of them. So I have colouring pencils, I have crayons, I have pens, markers, I even have a whiteboard pen, and a rubber in case I need to use it. If you don't have a whiteboard at home, then you can just use a large piece of paper and a pen to be able to show the children some demonstration. You're thinking, what could you do if you were at home? Now, have a look at where I am. I'm in our role play shop, and I was thinking we go shopping all the time, and this is a brilliant way of turning an everyday activity into an educational activity, particularly while you're at home for the next month. What we want you to do, we want you to write your shopping list. And the brilliant thing about this is the children will completely understand the meaning of what they're doing. Talk to your child about the fact that you're going shopping. Where are you going, so they understand the kinds of things they're going to put on their list. So let them choose their paper and choose their tools. Your younger children are going to want something chubbier to hold on to because their fine motor control hasn't been developed yet. Your older children may be able to use a real pencil or a smaller pen. And if you have a pencil grip at home, or if you want to pop the shop and get one, that can really help with your emergent writers as well. What do you want to buy at the shop? And they say, oh, chocolate. It's okay, draw me a picture of the chocolate then. And then at that point, they might be choosing their tools, drawing the chocolate, and they go putting it on the list. Remember, the point here is that they're making marks for meaning. They've had a go at drawing their chocolate, and now, depending on their age, you might want to bring some sound work in. You might want to introduce them to the sound ch for chocolate. You might even want to show them what that looks like. Did you know a ch sound looks like this? You think you can write it now, so let's see if you can write the ch sound next to your piece of chocolate. So now we're asking them to have a go at copying what you've written, remembering that the sound is what's important, so ch for chocolate. If you've got younger children, don't worry so much about the sounds. Use the mark making. They will start to make lists like this. These kinds of lists are fantastic, because that is a child who understands that marks are made for meaning. And if you can ask them what these mean and they say, this is soap, and this is apples, and this is chocolate, then that's fantastic. That's what we're aiming for with our younger children, making marks for meaning. Now, as I said before, if you're going to do a shopping list, we want you to actually go shopping. So this is where you take the list, you put it in the pocket, and now you actually go to the shop. And all around the shop, you're asking the child, what's next on your list? There'll be some children who can remember what they've written, they can see their pictures, they might remember their ch sound, and other children will not be able to remember, so help them. Remind them, remember you said you wanted to get some soap? Now let's see if we can go and find the soap. This is where you're choosing your basket, you're finding your soap, and you're actually buying the soap with them. So they completely understand that this activity had meaning. Okay, so that's what we'd like you to do today. That's your activity. Can you make a shopping list with your children and then go shopping? We miss you. We can't wait to see you. We hope this activity really helped you, and please come back for more. Thanks.